Hello, good morning to you. Welcome to Business on News Desk. Fresh rounds of borrowings in the year 2019 would not result in the country being classified as debt distressed. That's the firm assurance coming from Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta. Government in the 2019 budget presentation is projecting to borrow in excess of $5 billion to undertake infrastructure projects. There are some concerns the situation could lead to the country into distress. But speaking to Joy Business at the KPMG 2019 Budget Forum, Ken Ofori-Atta says measures have been put in place to ensure prudent borrowing.
I think we're fine because we keep working on sort of liability management to make sure that we move from the short end to the longer end. And further borrowings will have to look at the three issues of cost of capital, the sustainability as you're talking about, and making sure that the projects are productive and profitable in the long run. It's really always a balancing act. I mean, if we look at the accumulation over the period, you can see a positive primary balance, which means that we are borrowing less than what we have to pay, and so I think it's moved down from our 47% accumulation from 2012-13 to where we are now at 16 and 18%. So we are watching that very keenly to make sure that we don't get into debt distress.
Now, management of the multimedia group have paid a courtesy call on MTN Ghana at the company's head office in Accra. The visit was to help foster strong business ties with the telecommunications giant following years of collaboration between the two companies. CEO of MTN Ghana, Selom Adadivo, pledged his company's continuous support for the multimedia group.
The telecommunications giant MTN Ghana has over the years collaborated with the multimedia group in various projects ranging from entrepreneurial to social interventions. CEO for MTN Ghana promised continuous support for the multimedia group.
You can count on my support as well to continue to build on those relationships. These are not just important as a personally, but also but more importantly for the organization to keep building on what we've already spent the last 20 plus years building and developing. So you can count on me to continue to drive and build these relationships and take this forward.
Ken Ansah is the Chief Operations Officer for Radio and Digital Media at the Multimedia Group. He lauded the MTN Ghana Foundation for its role in improving the lives of many Ghanaians.
And you can again count on us to help, strengthen the footprints of the foundation in every sense, and whatever it is doing in making life better for the people that it seeks to serve and provide benefits to.
Also present at the meeting were the Managing Director for Multi TV, Santok Singh, the Head of Business Programming at Multimedia, Emma Morrison, as well as some managers of MTN Ghana.
Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Reverend Daniel Ubami Tete, has praised the performance of Ghana's capital market as well as a regulator over the past 20 years. He was speaking with Joy Business's Philip Namfuri earlier on PM Express ahead of the SEC's third Capital Market Conference, which will be on the theme Ghana Beyond Aid, the role of the capital market.
We hear you guys are turning 20 very soon. Yes. If you can share some light on that for us.
Okay, so as you may know, the capital market in Ghana itself, got off to a start, if you like, in 1990. Then we didn't even have the Securities and Exchange Commission as it currently is constituted.
Okay.
So the function of the SEC then was being done by the governor through one of the departments of the Bank of Ghana. Okay, so in 1998, that was when the Securities and Exchange Commission was established and became a standalone entity to focus on developing the capital market in Ghana. So we've had 20 years of having the SEC, and I think that there is a lot that we can look at and point to and say that has been achieved in terms of development of the capital market in Ghana. So I'll just give you a few highlights. So when the stock exchange was established in 1990, there were about 11 listed stocks. Currently, you have around 40 listed stocks. And then also we had just one market, that's the main board of the Ghana Stock Exchange. Today.
And that's all in business for now. There will be more business at midday. My name is Emmanuel Abuaji. We have a good morning.